everyone, you're welcome to the Unique Success Code. My name is Dr. Oluwaseun Oyesoya Ajogo, and I'm here to continue the series on how to turn your idea into a book or your ideas into a book. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button below the video and subscribe. Click the notification bell as well so you'll be the first to be notified when other interesting videos are posted. So back to what I was talking about. I already talked yesterday. I already handled why you should write a book, how everybody should write a book. Well, I'll just go straight to the point on the different steps you need to take in order to write your own book. Number one, just write it. Get a note. Yeah, get a note and pen. The old-fashioned old and pen thing works very well. Get a note and pen and write down the topic you want to write a book about. Then number two, the next thing you do is about the topic. What points come to your mind? What highlights? What comes to your mouth? What about that topic? What should people know? Or what would you like to talk about? Then you write them out in points. Just highlight them in points. And when you are done, you see these points you have written down will eventually become your outline for writing the book. So number three, what you do next is that you take each point and begin to write. Guess what? Don't even think about it. Just start writing. Whatever comes to mind, just keep writing and keep writing. Keep writing. I mean, pick each point, to pick the next point, pick the third point. Now, number four is that when writing, don't stop. I mean, don't stop to edit. Don't even make the mistake of trying to edit when you're not done writing. So pick each point and write as much that you can think of writing. And if you're using speech to text, just keep talking about each point. And number five is that you should, after you have finished writing, all you need to do now is let it rest for a while, maybe a few days, then you go back to read it again. That's when you make your corrections, you do your editing, you edit. And after editing, I must tell you, it's good to give to someone else to edit for you. You can also use Grammarly. That means you can also check for grammatical errors online by using Grammarly. Just go online, type in Grammarly. You'll be able to see the option of getting to vet your write-up for grammatical errors. So that is the simple steps of writing your own book. Maybe I should quickly do a recap. Number one is to write out the topic you want to write a book about. Just write it down. Make sure you write it. I didn't say you should have it in your heart. Write it down. Very important. Number two, begin to list out points or highlights on the topic. Number three, start picking each point and writing about it. Number four, when you start writing, don't stop to edit. Just continue writing or continue speaking till you are done. And then number five, you should let it have a break, edit, take a break again, read it again because you see it in a different light, and give to someone to also correct for you. And you can also use Grammarly, which is an online online software, yes, that will help you to check for grammatical errors. So that is it. But now, even though I've told you how easy it is to write a book, just follow the steps. You see it's that easy, really. You do it. But then, what has stopped some people from writing their books? Now, you might encounter that or might be going through that. You might have always had an idea of what to write and you've not written your book. Number one is the feeling of inadequacy. You think maybe other people, there are many people that know more than me over this topic. Well, there are many that don't know as much as you do, so you can be their source of information. Number two is perfectionism, so to speak. There's something like that, meaning that you just want to overanalyze, you want things to be perfect. And you write it, it's not good enough. That's why I tell you, don't edit while writing. Write and then edit later. Then what other reason again? Just procrastination. Yes, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it next tomorrow. Just carry your pen and paper and start. If you start, you realize that it's just so easy. And so that's going to be it about how to turn your ideas into a book. Well, I do have a free book for you, and it's titled How to Write a Book in Less Than 4 Weeks. You will find it very, very useful. So I've dropped the link in the description. So click on the link and access your free gift. And then I would like to also hear your testimonies. I want to hear from you how you're going about it. If you do need help, you can always contact me. My email will also be in the description box. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that now, because I'll be releasing much more important and interesting videos. Ciao, ciao. Have a wonderful time wherever you are, whatever the time is. Bye.